Welcome back to Always Learning. What are we doing today? Well, today we're learning how to close off some steps. I thought I'd just show you from the beginning. So the first thing I did was I built a landing. We did a deck remodel because we put in a pool with a new concrete and it changed the slope. So the first thing I did was I built this base that would support the structure. I wanted to have two steps like this little landing. I 45'd them and it looked pretty good. It was a little crooked, so I had to come back and redo the top, but it looked pretty good, 45. I thought it was kind of neat and concise, but I wanted to close off all the steps because I'm going to come back next year and put lighting behind it to light the steps. The gap between there was about 6.5 to 7 inches, so I just bought some cedar, my brother-in-law's idea. I bought some cedar fencing posts, kind of the dog ears, and then I just ripped them on this table saw. And here's a little tip for you: if you don't want to own a table saw or store a table saw or really any kind of equipment, I just go on Facebook Marketplace and I bought this for $100, and so I'm going to use it for 2 projects, and then I'm just going to turn around and sell it for 100 projects. So it's basically renting tools for free. You just got to make sure you kind of know what you're getting into when you're buying them. One time I bought one, I had to fix it up a little bit, but I actually made $10 on it, so it's actually free. But then once you get them ripped to the width you want them, then I simply just cut them to length. I just measured every stair. You know, it's a custom built deck, so each step's just a little different, so you kind of want to measure to make sure before you rip them on the table saw or before you cut them. I just cut them here on a chop saw. I did 45 the ends of the ones that we're actually going to butt up to the other ones, so the bottom step landing, I 45 those so they would just be a little bit tighter, but you wouldn't have to. You could just overlap them. Once cut, I just laid them all out, and then I just stained them, and then just I had a little finishing nailer, so I just took a air compressor with a finishing nailer and put them up there. But you could just hand nail them with some finishing nails up there. There's only about 6 nails, but here's what it looked kind of before, and then here's what it looked like after. But like I said, in the fall I'll come back, or next year I'll come back and add lights and put them on the back of the stairs and make it pop. So a pretty easy project, didn't take that long, maybe took I don't know, an hour and a half total work time. So I think it made it look better. So thanks for watching.